Main purpose. Works as a complete trailer tail light guard box set for your new or existing trailer, has stop-turn tail lighting modes. Can be directly welded on or bolted onto the rear, side, bottom or top frame of your trailer. Solid built. Made of heavy-duty steel, painted with quality black powder-coated finish, and pre-cut holes for 6 inches oval light, 2 inches round side light license plate mounting. Durable for all weather elements. Awesome brightness. Use high-quality SMD LED, lights output excellent high-brightness red light for stop-turn light, low brightness for tailside marker light, greatly improving visibility and ensuring you a safer night. Color-coded wires. White wire with O-ring terminal for ground, black wire for tailside marker light, red wire for stop-turn light. Simple installation. All in a set and lights are mounted on the box. Just hardwire each pigtail wire to the corresponding wire on trailer. And then weld on or bolt on the light box to the trailer frame. Nilight 2 PC steel trailer light boxes housing kit function as turn, brake light, tail light for all kinds of trucks, trailers, tractors, semi-trailer, horse trailer, travel trailer, dump truck, special vehicle, etc. Specifications. Trailer light box size, driver side, 8-3/4 x 6 by 3-3/4, passenger side, 8-3/4 x 4 x 3-3/4 oval light size with grommet, 7.3 by 3.1 x 1.8, round light size with grommet, 2.6 by 1.5, license plate mounting hole size, 1/4 in height LED quantity, 10 PCS each light in each oval light, 4 PCS in each round light. LED color, red working voltage, 12 volts DC output high and low brightness, work as turn, brake light and tail light package include 2x steel box housing 2x6 oval tail light with rubber grommet 2x2 round side light with rubber grommet. Top reviews from the United States. Bright. For the price you can't beat these lights. Welded them to the trailer. These lights are super bright. Highly recommend these lights. They will be bought in the future for all of my other trailers.